Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed from checkz.com and welcome in lecture number 6. Today we are going to discuss about the posts and all things related with posts. यार यहाँ से नहीं है. Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed from checkz.com and welcome in lecture number 6. Today we are going to discuss about the media. So you can easily interact with your media, or you can also manage your media files like pages, like images, like your videos, audios and other files. Okay, just go to your media. Here are some few images showing on your media page or your media section. You can sort by images, you can sort by audio, you can sort by video, because we don't have any video inside the video sections. We have only images. First of all, if you want to add a video, just click on the add and choose your video, select your video for uploading. For suppose I'm going to select this video and open this. What happens? It's showing maximum file size for this site, because the maximum file size is 2 MB is allowed to upload a particular file, but you are uploading more than 2 MB file, so that's why it's showing the error. You cannot upload more than 2 MB file. So this is the problem. So what is the solution? So we have different solutions. You can also increase the file size by updating the php.ini file. First of all, don't worry, we will discuss about each and everything. And you can also increase the file size by updating the .htaccess file. If you are working on the live site, for suppose you have hosted your site at xyz.com domain, so you have to contact with your hosting provider so they can increase the file size, and you can also use a plugin to increase the maximum file size. So for solution, so because we have connected with our local environment, so that's why we are going to increase the file size by updating the php.ini file. So where is the php.ini file? So go to your XAMPP. For suppose I have installed my XAMPP inside my C drive, so check your XAMPP where you have installed your XAMPP. So click on the XAMPP, click on the PHP section. Here you can find that .ini file. So as you can see, you have 3 .ini files here. PHP configuration setting, you have your php.ini-development, you have your php.ini-production. You have to open this PHP file. Right click, add it with a editor. For suppose in this time I'm using Notepad++. You can also use your Notepad, and you can also use your Sublime and PHP Storm. So find Control F, find max underscore. Okay, just a second, I'm going to explain. You have to increase your post max size. For suppose I'm saying 800 MB. Save your file. Now find your also max underscore, because we are going to upload max file size. You have to update this section also. So I'm saying upload limit is 800 MB or 800 MB. Okay, so save this file. First of all, you don't need to touch anything, because this is the php.ini file. Okay, save this file, go to your XAMPP. You have to restart your XAMPP. So start. So this is your Apache. You have to restart your server. So now go to your page, refresh the page. As you can see, now it's saying 800 MB. So go to your file, upload your video. So as you can see, we have just uploaded our video here. So you can upload the maximum file till 800 MB. And now I'm going to upload multiple files. So multiple files. and upload. So as you can see, I'm going to upload the multiple files, so wait for few seconds so I can upload these files. Once you upload the files, it will available inside your project, so you don't need to upload again these files. You can reuse the files or the images or the videos, so it's totally depend upon you. You have just updated these files. Okay, so you have uploaded the videos. You can also upload the zip file, you can also upload the audio files. Okay, so now I'm going to all post. We have a new post. For suppose if you want to add your video inside this, so upload media, click on the video, insert your video. So as you can see, you have inserted. If you want to edit this video, you can also edit this video. Autoplay media and autoplay. Okay, update. So now update your sections. Go to your post. Go to your post. So now as you can see, you have just, hi guys, I am Shahzad, edited or just added a new video inside your post. For suppose if you want to add multiple video, or if you want to add images, multiple images, go to your images section, select images, insert. So as you can see, you have just added few images. Update post, go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you have your different images, so it's totally depend upon you. So we have discussed about the media. In the next lecture we are going to discuss about the pages, so you can easily interact with your pages. So for now, if you think that we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and videos to your colleagues, to your friends. So thank you for watching.